Hello friends, I'm back, and today we'll be talking about Brassavola Amethyst. This is another Carecollab, and the participating folks are Ninja Orchids, The Orchid Saga, and Todd's Tropicals. Please do check out their videos. Their links will be in the description below. Alright, let's go! My plant is new in my collection and I have yet to repot it. It was sold as near blooming size, so hopefully any one of those 2 new growths it has will produce some flowers. I grow this under LED lights and treat it like most of my cattleyas and brassavolas. It gets MSU fertilizer once a week, daily mistings with Super Thrive, and once a week a misting of CalMag and seaweed mix. And that's how we do it. Okay. This plant is a hybrid between Cattleya purpurata and Brassavola cucullata. Here is the Cattleya purpurata in all its splendor. The purpurata comes from the Santa Catarina area in southern Brazil. And here is the other parent, the Brassavola cucullata. The cucullata has a wide distribution going from Mexico into Central America, the West Indies, and northern South America. And this here is the Brassavola Amethyst. What a beauty, huh? I can't wait to see mine blooming. I happen to be obsessed with Brassavola cucullata, so in my opinion, this one's a winner by default. So, yeah, there's that. Despite the fact I haven't seen this one in bloom, I know I'm going to love it. I'm really excited for it, and for now, I'm just taking care of it, making sure that it's thriving, which I think it is. Well, my friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and checking out this beautiful orchid. Please don't forget to check out the description for the other Carecollabies and see their beautiful plants as well. Bye!